Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Ashad.
How are you?
This is Faisal Masjid, and this is the runway up to Faisal Masjid. There's probably been a lot of corona here, and it's quite hectic, quite crazy. Loads and loads of people. I think corona is the least of their worries, to be honest. Some people have hygiene issues here. They don't shower, smell a bit funny. And yeah, welcome to Pak Watan, Pakistan. Zindabad. Check it out. Play some cricket. Oh, look, see. So this is a run up to the #1 tourist attraction in Pakistan. Yeah, let's keep going. So we're heading this way now. This is where the buses are and the cars. It's harder to walk on this than it is off this. It's like you've got to dodge the masiyan. These are the masis, local masis. Here's the guy doing the kulfis. क्या यहाँ कर रहे हैं भाई साहब? Kulfi, mashallah. Look, chipas. Oh, they love the chipas. Chipas with masala. Masala chips. Love it. Here's the bus. Check it out. Check it out. Our car is down here somewhere. Oh shit. Oi. Oh, whoa. My friend is trying to run me over. Why run me over, huh?
Why you go slow?
I go slow.